Hey guys, Rob from Ginger Woodworks, and today we're talking about the Dremel Multi-Max 50. So here it is corded, check it out. So this tool, I was given it through the Home Depot prospective program, and so I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that Home Depot and Dremel sent this out for my review, for my use. But everything here, everything that I'm talking about, this is how I've used it. These are my own opinions. So I just want to make sure you guys knew that before we get started. A couple of the features that I really like the Toolless Change, right? So there is no need for losing those little Allen wrenches that you've got on many of your other tools. Just simply turn the knob, take the blade out if I want. It comes with the sander. Here you go. Haven't used this yet, but we're going to use it today. So this changes. Take that out, press in, locks in just like so. Turn it, lock it down, nice and tight, and there you go. So that's one of the great features that I do like about this, is that I'm not looking for my Allen tool to change out the blade or switch out to a sander. So speaking of sanders, I'm working on this project right now. It's a little TV console. Everything's face frame, but as you guys know, when you're working on something like this, right up in the corners, you're going to tend to get a little buildup of glue. And so this is a tool that I keep on my workbench. I've always had something like this on my workbench to allow me to kind of clean these edges up, clean the corners up. And so we're going to do that for a bit here. Get it cleaned up. We're going to get it painted. The reason that I use the multi-tool for multiple purposes, and that this is great with the corded version for around my workbench, is that I do a lot of sign work. So with the sign work, the first thing I do after it comes off the CNC is I'll just kind of lightly go over, as you can see, just kind of go over the sign, clean up anything that I don't like before kind of cutting the tabs and getting this cut out. Speaking of, so now that I want to cut the tabs, look at this. This is how easy it is. We take this off. We're going to take the sander out. We're going to put the blade in. That's it. Sander off, blade in. Now we're going to cut the tabs. So before I cut the tabs though, I do want to talk a little bit about this. So there are 10 speeds on this Dremel Multi-Max 50. There's 10 speeds on it. With the MDF, I'm able to kind of turn it down, probably 2, 3, something like that. That's going to be enough to allow me to cut the MDF tabs. Real simple. So as you can see, I can kind of mess around with it, decide what speed that I want. Now I've got it up to 4. Let's see how that cuts. We're working on drywall, we're working on other projects, cutting wood, other materials. You could swap out your blade, you could turn it up. Let me show you guys. It's got a pretty good amount of power. It's got a pretty good amount of power. So if you want to check this out and you're looking for corded, the other thing that you're going to want to take into account is that it's pretty ergonomic, right? So it's one. Another thing to consider on the Dremel Multi-Max 50 is that it is pretty easy to use, right? So it's got the design, ergonomic, It's pretty straightforward. It's not too bulky. It's not too big. It's not too heavy, because when you're doing a lot of sanding or trying to get in tight spaces with, especially with the blades, you know, you don't have too much bulk. So if you're looking to pick one of these Dremel Multi-Max 50s up, you can check them out at Home Depot online. You can also head right to Home Depot. So until the next time, enjoy.